Hi, Carla Cross here, and today I want to talk to you about being a great agent and what it means, and the fact that if you do this one thing, you'll beat at least 2/3 of all the other agents in keeping your clients. Now, why do people leave? Well, maybe agents don't realize what return business is worth. But it's worth a lot because it's easier, because people already love you. It doesn't cost you nearly as much. And it's wonderful to be able to work with people that you already know and know are good for their word. So today let's talk about why people leave first and how to retain them. So why do they leave? Well, here's a survey of all kinds of clients. Why don't they come back? Well, 4% died or moved. That's pretty tough, isn't it? 4% found new relationships. We can understand that. 9% see an advantage in another product or service. And yes, that does happen sometimes. 15% had product dissatisfaction. And there's a way to fix that, though, is if you do after-sale surveys and you fix it fast, they'll come back 96% of the time. But what's the biggest reason customers don't come back? 68% said they felt the salesperson didn't appreciate them. Oh my gosh, why? Why would people feel that way? Well, maybe it's because, at least in real estate, agents tend to love them and leave them. Only 1/3 of the agents that sell somebody a house ever come back after closing. They don't even come back, much less bring them a petunia. So that means you have to always come back. You have to follow up on your best source of clients, the people you just sold. Now, if you're really new, you don't have that. So when you, though, start building up your client base, at the same time, build a marketing plan to those people. They are your gold mine because you don't want them to forget who you are. And as I said, 68% said they didn't feel appreciated. So right now, as I'm doing this, we're going into the holiday season. And I'm going to have some webinars and some blogs and some podcasts for you from people who do a great job in staying in touch, and especially through the holidays. So stay tuned for that. All I want you to think about right now is, do you have a marketing plan for the people you just sold so they don't think you just took the money and ran? This is a very easy way to stand out amongst all the other agents, because remember, only 1/3 ever come back. That's hard to believe, but they don't. So they miss the opportunity to show people we're more than just money grabbers and that we really care about them and their well-being. Thank you for your contributions to our industry.